Hey there, and welcome to the Weekend Experience. This week we're cruising down A1A from Daytona to Flagler. Little did we know it, but it's Jeep Beach Week here in Daytona.
Do you miss your Jeep?
I do miss my Jeep. No, I love the truck too.
I suspect that every week here is something. The last time we were here, it seemed like everyone had a super fancy truck with hydraulic lifts. So what does every guy dream of doing in Daytona? That's right, we're taking the truck onto the beach. This is something that I've always wanted to do. That's right, we're back at Gamble Rodgers State Park. Where else can you park right on the beach and get a great view like this? With a great beach set like this, I can't help but go down and check out the beach right away. Flagler Beach is so unlike most Florida beaches. It's got that dark sand that your feet just sink right into. In the old days, you'd have a wagon to bring everything down onto the beach. These days, we've got the Wonder Wheeler. It can hold everything that you need and it doubles as a table. What will they think up next? So it is lunchtime and we know just the place. It overlooks the ocean and the food cannot be beat. Always gotta stop at the Oceanside here in Flagler. It's one of the best bars in town. And you get a killer view here. It doesn't get much better than this view. You just don't get over the sound of the waves when you're at the beach. Not only is the food great, they spend time making the plates look great too. You can tell how much they care both about the taste as well as the presentation. Can you tell we've watched a lot of Chopped? And the town itself is just down the road. So shall we check out downtown Flagler Beach? It looks like quite a bit of fun though, so we'll go explore and see what there is to see. If you like to fish, you've got to check out the pier. It looks like the place to be. So we aren't actually hungry, but we couldn't resist trying one ice cream in particular. So the Cookie Monster ice cream was a big win. I've got to say it was the best blue ice cream I've ever had. Now, it may be the only blue ice cream I've ever had, but it was good. Gotta come and try it. So maybe a bit cliched, but I had to stop by the surf shop and pick up some sandals. I did blow out my flip-flop. Water's warm today. Gotta watch out for the man-o-war though. I hear the stings are not the most fun. There's actually one right on the beach right over here. They may look friendly, but watch out for those tentacles. With that, it's time to head out. Good morning. Let's see what we can cook up on the Blackstone for breakfast. Yeah, I think breakfast is going to be good today. You gotta just love the view too. So what's beyond this gate right here? That's right, we've got a dog beach. You have to go out this gate on the back half of the park. But the dog beach is only about 1,000 feet away and really convenient. So here we are on the dog beach. It is actually a very nice beach. It's pretty much the same beach just down the road from the state park. But as you can see, you are allowed to have dogs out here. So Piper here approves of the dog beach. New smells to sniff everywhere. Let's go check out the rest of the park. So the lagoon side of Gamble Rodgers is actually really nice too. There's plenty of places to put in your paddleboard or kayak. So on a red flag day like today, the park rangers actually recommend putting in over here rather than going in the ocean or in the intercoastal. So don't quote me, but I'm pretty sure you can rent the kayaks here. At least they looks like they got a lot of them here. If they're not for rental, I don't know what they're for. It'd be a lot of fun to take them out here. So camping on the lagoon side is actually fairly nice too. You get way more room in each site, and the sites are actually either a concrete pad or gravel, unlike on the beach side where it's just sand. So your trailer will thank you for not having so much sand in it. The other thing to keep in mind is that, well, the beach side, there's only like 3 sites, maybe 4 at most, where you can actually see the beach from your site. The dunes are so built up that you can't see much of anything. You really just get to hear the water. So all in all, if you don't have one of those great beach sites, I might just stay on the lagoon side. It's really nice over here. So I hear the place to go is the Snack Shack. We'll check it out. It's an old school surfers bar here in Flagler Beach. It's one of those places that was built on the ocean side of the road before building codes forced everything further back. It really is a bar on the beach. The food's good, but you really come here for the atmosphere. It's a place you won't find anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time here at the Weekend Experience.